What's up, explorers? Today I got a treat for you. This is a 2-for-1 special. I'm going to be hitting the summit of Apple Orchard, and I'm going to be showing you Apple Orchard Falls, which is a neat little waterfall. It hasn't rained here in a while, so I don't know how much flow the falls has, but I mean, it's still always worth it. I've always wanted to see it, and today is that day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this virtual hike with me. Let's go. Apple Orchard Summit is first. Now this part is going to be an uphill battle, so I'm not going to talk much because I need all the breath for this climb. So I'll get back with you in a little bit. Alright, so I thought I'd talk to you a little bit while the trail is kind of evened out a little bit, but as you can see, I'm sweating and panting harder than my dog doing NASCAR laps in my front yard. So that tells you that this is a pretty steep little hike, but I'm not the best in shape, so let's just leave it at that. So far there's been like a ton of switchbacks, so it's not so bad as long as I can keep this camera on me and go up these switchbacks. We'll be fine. Now altogether this is going to be about a 6-mile hike, so not bad, but you know how the uphill goes. You have to put in extra effort and take your overdrive off and into your climbing gear. I'll give you a little view of the Appalachian Trail as we go up Apple Orchard Mountain. No really spectacular views yet, but trust me, we're gonna get there because this is the Blue Ridge Mountains, and you guys already know that these mountains are something fierce. Today I have with me my outdoor Arrow 2 from Walmart, and it's an internal frame pack. It's pretty good, I like it, but if you have a really heavy load it gets kind of flimsy. Also have with me handy dandy bear spray, my camera as usual. I have in my pack water, poncho, water bottle with filter. I have lighters, I believe an extra jacket because the weather can change in an instant on mountains, so you never know. And have my dry fit shirt, my dry fit pants, and I am ready to conquer this mountain and see those beautiful falls. Whew. Now, as you can see, the mountain gets its name from these trees that appear to be pruned like an apple orchard, but they're not. No humans have touched it. Mother Nature has pruned these trees to look like this. It is so high up that in the winter, the harsh winter winds and blizzard conditions shape and stunt the growth of the trees on this mountain, which tells you you don't want to be up here in the wintertime. But I find Mother Nature to do some awesome creative things that sometimes we don't understand. It is also said that this section of the AT has the most bear dense population. So what I'm saying is, bring it on, Yogi. I'm ready to fight, baby. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want no beef with Yogi. Yogi will knock me down a notch. At the summit of this mountain, there is a U.S. Air Force weather radar, and that is how we will know that we made it to the top. And I don't see one in sight just yet. Time to kick it in high gear. Oh. If I wasn't dead before, I'm sure gonna be dead now. But I feel like I got at least another 10 miles in me. Oh, I see a weather radar. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right in there. That means we are almost at the top, folks. What a mystical view this is. I couldn't pass this one up. I had to shoot. Today is such a wonderful day too. Highs in the upper 60s to 70s. It's clear. There's not a cloud in the sky, and you can definitely see the blue mist of the Blue Ridge Mountains. I got a feeling this is going to be some great views. There's the radar tower, folks. It's much of an eyesore, that thing is. It sure is cool to see, though. And we have made it to the summit. Look at that. And I hear folks do, so I mean, we're good to go, but looks like a prescribed burn over there. Nothing to be concerned about. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. Views for days, folks. And this right here is the weather radar tower I was telling you about. It looks like a soccer ball. You can like see that texture. Whoa. There we go. But yeah, it's like a big soccer ball. And I was just informed by the 3 hikers that was up here that could be a brush fire. But he said they had it contained at this point, so you guys get to see a brush fire, which is not good. Explorers, we made it. I am now going to enjoy a sip of water as I make my way back down. I will stick you in my backpack until we get to the Apple Orchard Falls Trail and continue the journey from there. Be right back, folks. Alright, we are now on Apple Orchard Falls Trail, and we can now pick back up on this incredible endeavor. I met a few through hikers on the AT, and there are some really awesome, interesting through hikers. I really love meeting through hikers. They're pretty awesome. Plants over here, I don't know what they are, but they're really cool. Kind of like, look like a house plant maybe. actually runs by this trail. And I can say there is a stream. Looks like it's mostly underground. But let's see. As you can see, there's water running right there. So that's supposed to be 90% of the way. So I'm going to show you explores a little bit of the scenery that I am seeing, because this scenery is amazing. It's like being in a fairy tale story. Will be my first time at these falls, so we will be sharing this first time experience together. There is a plethora of people on trail today, so maybe this is actually worth it. You never know. Alright, check this out. We got a little rock catwalk we can get to and check out some neat little falls. Check that out. Beautiful. It looks like it was true. This trail is walking beside a stream 90% of the time, which is awesome. There's tons of mini waterfalls. I can say I passed probably 50 until we get to the finale down at the bottom here. Check this out. Wow. I guess you can actually get up there because there's a trail that goes there. We'll do that right now so I don't have to come back and do it. Might as well just get it out of the way. Alright, so we made it to the top. As you guys can see, was it worth it? No. Oh, guys. Look at that. You know, gotta make my way over here. Yogi, are you home? I guess not. It's down the long stairway into the darkness. And we are here. I'm gonna keep you on my pleasant face here for a second so I can do a reveal. Are you ready for it? Here it is. Wow. What an amazing view. 200 feet. Wow. Alright explorers, this ends another amazing hike and I hope you all enjoyed it. Be sure to like and comment as always and let me know what you think. I hope all of you have a beautiful day and you keep on exploring so you can see amazing views like this. Peace, love, have a great day.